So I'm gonna dip it in this coriander chutney. It's called the chutney. So cheers, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, I'm in a place called Bara Bazaar, right? In a lane here, right? And I spotted this, our brothers here. They are making, something called aloo paratha, right? Well, I'm gonna speak to these brothers here and find out the way they make this, guys. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go explore this place. Let's go, guys. Right, guys, look, I'm in a place called Bara Bazaar, right? Hello, dude. so I spotted this, our brothers here. They are making this dish called aloo paratha, right? Well, look, guys, the way he makes this, and people are enjoying, this food. They love this food, right? And that's how it is. So that's the dough, right? The stuffing, you see that potato there, right?
Rice.
Bhaiya, wo aloo dikhla ek bar. Can you please show the aloo? That potato. Look, guys. That's the smashed, potato. They're gonna put inside this dough, and they're gonna roll that, and they're gonna fry this here in this pan here, right? It's called aloo paratha. Aloo means potato, and paratha means this flat bread that you get here in the street of Kolkata. Look, guys. So that's the dough there, and this brother is gonna make it. Look, guys. So hello, bhaiya. How are you? Aap kaise ho? Okay, guys, he's fine. Hello, brother. Aap kaise ho? Okay, lovely. Okay, look, guys. So he took that dough, right, and he put the stuffing inside, which is the potato. That's how he does this. Look, guys, and if you tried this, you let me know in the comment. It's called aloo paratha. It's very unique, and lane ka naam kya hai? What's the lane of this? What's the place name?
Park.
Oh, Mukram Park. I'm in a place called Mukram Park here in Bara Bazaar. That's the field there. This is a field here, and you see the pigeons eating. Somebody gave some grain there, right? So they are eating, right? Look at that, pigeons. Hello, pigeons. I love pigeons. Guys, if you love pigeons, you let me know in the comment, right? And the shop is right over here. So if you come to this place called Bara Bazaar, come and try this paratha. That's how he does it. Oh, guys, and he even sells rice. That's the plain white rice.
Yellow dal.
And that's the lentil. It's called the dal. The lentil. Look, guys. And sabji mein kya hai? Curry. In curry, guys, you have this fried stuff here. Is called
Kadi chawal.
bhaji. Okay. And they're gonna have a school over here. So these brothers, they're gonna go inside that field and play in that field. Look, guys. It reminds me of my school days. Well, that's how it is. Look, guys. So he's gonna fry this in this pan here, and then he's gonna put this fresh oil, cooking oil, right, eatable oil, and he's gonna fry this. Look, guys. Hello. और इसका संग आप क्या सर्व करते हो? Like, what do you serve with this? आलू पराठा का संग आप क्या?
सब्जी चटनी हरा चटनी.
Oh, chutney.
दिखाओ.
Guys, this one is the chutney. It's made with coriander and chili. They serve that pickle made with coriander and this beautiful and tasty warm paratha that they are making over here. Look, guys. What's up, dude? Say hi.
चावल है ना?
Okay. So I'm gonna try one and tell you, the taste.
राइस कंप्लीट लग रहा है.
Look, guys, the way he serves, our rice and normal lentil and
Basmati rice. Basmati rice.
basmati rice. They serve basmati rice here. And look, guys, that's the basmati rice, and he,
Yellow
gives
dal.
some yellow dal. Dal means lentils, and that's the potato curry, and that's some sort of a fry. It's made with bitter gourd and
50 rupees plate.
bitter gourd and potato, and for one plate is 50 rupees. Okay.
40 rupees plate. 2 piece.
2 piece. Give me one. I want to try one.
One try.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna try one. For one is 20 rupees, right? So guys, I mean, brother, give me one. हमको एक तो दीजिए, please. Look, guys. So that's mine, guys. He's gonna fry that, and I'm gonna try this. You can even, guys, make this at home. It's very easy and tasty, delicious, right? So they have potato inside. It's called the aloo paratha. For one piece is 20 rupees. 20 rupees is like a few cents. You can see that on the screen. Let's try this, guys. Look, guys, he gives some potato curry and some bhaji. Is called the bhaji, and that beautiful paratha. Thank you, brother. Okay, guys, let's try this, guys. Looks tasty, right? Let's try this, guys. Let me find a spot here. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna keep this here. Okay, guys, finally let's try this, right? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this warm paratha, right? Look, guys. Cheers, guys. So I'm gonna dip it in this coriander chutney. It's called the chutney. So cheers, guys. It's nice. I don't know how to explain the taste, guys. If you want to try this, you need to come to a place called Bara Bazaar. Try it, and it's nice. Right? So look, guys. Now I'm gonna dip this in this potato, curry that they just give. So let's dip that. So and they even give this potato and bitter gourd bhaji. It's called the bhaji, right? So they deep fry this in oil with some Indian spice and salt and turmeric and things like that. So guys, I just finished eating that paratha. So if you enjoyed the vlog, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Brother, bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye. Okay, guys, please subscribe. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.